Hi friends, this is your lesson 33 exit ticket. Now, the most important thing is you are going to need to get this paper from our substitute teacher. I have changed it from what is in the book, so this is different from any math page in your book. So first thing is you need to make sure you get this paper from our substitute, okay? And here's what I want you to do. You have learned that how to take 0 away from number and how to take 1 away from number. Friends, this should be super easy for you. You will see there are some number sentences here. Some have the part missing, okay? Some have a part missing at the end. Some have a part missing in the middle. So I want you to solve these number sentences, okay? So you're just going to fill in the missing part for each one of these numbers. Make sure your name goes at the top. And turn it into the back table like always. But again, make sure you get this paper from our substitute teacher. This paper is not in your book, okay? Most important thing, get it from our substitute teacher.